Valley storm shelters. People in many parts of the country live in fear of tornadoes and other violent weather events. An extreme storm can hit when you least expect it, and you want a quick and easy solution to make sure your family stays safe. You could join the many households and businesses who have the security of knowing they have the safest storm shelter in America ready to protect them. Contact Valley Storm Shelters right away for more information. In recent years, Valley Storm Shelters has become synonymous with safe rooms. This is because our engineers have designed the safest storm shelter available and have tested our shelter's capabilities far beyond any other shelter manufacturer. Our team knew that many people had concerns regarding above-ground shelters due to the risk of anchor failure and high winds. We set out to develop our own anchoring technology that ensures that our shelters are fully secured, even in an EF5 tornado. Our proprietary core-lock anchoring system is like no other on the market, and a better anchoring system does not exist. We also recognized that the door was the weakest part of a safe room, so we designed a 310-pound vault-like door that is sure to protect you. This uniquely designed door is standard on all of our above-ground shelters. If you currently have a safe room with a weaker door, you can purchase our door as a replacement door without replacing your entire safe room. Not only does Valley Storm Shelters set the standard for the products we offer, but we also pride ourselves on our service to our customers. Some Valley Storm differences include financing options, 3-hour installation by a trained expert or self-installation options, different sizes to fit your family's needs, numerous additional options for maximum comfort. The danger of rockfalls is increasing due to climate change. This was once restricted to mountainous regions, but expanding urban areas close to rocky slopes are increasingly at risk. Conventional protective structures are often unable to withstand those risks. We have solutions for every rockfall hazard from low to exceptionally high impact energy levels. The flexible rockfall barriers from the Rocco range meet all existing standards worldwide. This includes the vertical drop test, which is the toughest test according to the EAD 340059-00-0106 standard. Fast rescue from heights up to 25 meters, 80 feet. Better safety cushions * provide fast help when space is restricted at the rescue site or when facades are inaccessible to aerial ladder trucks. That way, you are ideally equipped even for difficult operational situations. Quickly set up and easily transported, the Vetter SP16 and SP25 safety cushions make it easier to gain access to the rear sides or courtyards of buildings. Small and robust, always on hand. A pull on the trigger opens the CO2 cartridge and fills the buoy in seconds. Enough buoyancy for an adult. Just lean over RESTUBE and the buoyancy lifts your head above the water. Screw in a new CO2 cartridge and RESTUBE is immediately ready for use again. Also inflatable by mouth. Manually inflatable using mouthpeak. RESTUBE comes in a range of varieties, tailor-made to how you spend your time in or around the water. Choose a RESTUBE that keeps you, your friends, and your family safe in calm water conditions. Find a RESTUBE built for sports training or extreme and rough conditions. AquaEye by VodaSafe is an advanced sonar underwater scanner that uses the latest sonar technology as well as artificial intelligence to identify human bodies underwater and in waters with poor visibility. AquaEye is the first search and rescue sonar of its kind and assists first responders in water rescues. It is suitable for missions to rescue and recover victims even from polluted waters. This lightweight, portable underwater sonar device is ideally suited for first responders on search and rescue missions. Water Rescue allows rescuers to get a very quick overview of up to 8,000 square meters of water area, locating potential victims within a short period of time. The advantage of using AquaEye is the fast assessment of the situation underwater and the resource-saving coordination of the rescue forces. In our current AquaEye presentation, you get all the important information at a glance. We would also be happy to explain it to you personally. The Avon Protection NH15 CBRN Air Purifying Escape Respirator is the smallest and most compact escape hood on the market, approved to carry NIOSH and CE marking. Its low cost makes it ideal for police, emergency medical services, and fire officers seeking immediate or emergency respiratory protection in a CBRN scenario. The NH15 hood has a 5-year shelf life and provides a high level of respiratory, eye and face protection for a minimum of 15 minutes. Made of clear material, the NH15 not only protects against all airborne CBRN threats but also protects the face from liquid agent splashes. The clear material gives a non-threatening appearance, aids with recognition of the wearer, and also allows for superior visual communication. Twin low-profile filters on a unique hinge system feature the latest filtration media, which reduces breathing resistance, and a front reflector makes it easier to identify colleagues in low-light environments. Featuring an AquaEye E2 supercapacitor system to store energy that powers the radial turbo compressor upon deployment. Supercapacitor performance is reliable in cold temperatures and releases quickly when activated for deployment. The new E2 system is 40% smaller and 11% lighter than the existing AquaEye E1 system, with a 162-liter airbag. Installing two AA batteries keeps the supercapacitors fully charged for longer without having to plug into a wall and allows for additional deployments in the field. Float E2 airbags have no TSA restrictions for hassle-free airline travel. More info can be found here. Travel with E2 system. BATFAN 20-minute runtime, 23.5 kilograms. BATFAN 45-minute runtime, 26.5 kilograms. No need for a generator or power socket. Runs on battery or mains electricity if necessary. Battery will charge at same time. Folds up and stows easily in the locker of a vehicle. Two BATFANs occupy the space of one conventional fan. Portable by one person alone with carrying handle and strap. BATFAN brings far less noise than gas-driven fans during operation. No time wasted searching for a power socket. Starts off instantly. Cable. Avoids any accident. Blade specifically designed for the motor power. Patented system shaping an oval cone of air for increased performance. Reinforced double-layer monoblock shroud. High-tech composite grille. AFIDI. NIMH batteries are not classified as dangerous goods in comparison to Li-ion or Li-Fe-PO4. Environment. NIMH manufacturing is far less detrimental to the environment than lithium. Adjustable tilt from plus 65 degrees to minus 90 degrees with locking system allows flat positioning to cover a manhole. Integrated variable speed drive. 10 LEDs to illuminate the walkway and front the blower. Built-in charger. Charge during operation. Battery charge indicator. Secure flat. Keypad to control all functions. No fragile button to turn for setting speed. Low maintenance. One full charge every 6 weeks. Powered by NIMH battery. No restriction for transportation. Totally safe. Designed to be connected with ducts, foam adapter, and rehab misting device.